make una see Papa Tope don't come again.
That is how I actually went to the man's place and got the money. If I hadn't gotten it, wouldn't have been enjoying.
Okay, the man give me the money.
Why would he? Papa Chicken, you know that I and Mama Tope have married for 25 years. In short, it is our 25th wedding anniversary.
Oh! 25 years already? How will you celebrate it?
You want to know how I will celebrate it? Look, I will take Mama to the most beautiful, the most exotic, the most wonderful country in the world.
Where?
I will take her to Congo.
Congo? Congo na bush now? If you can't spend all those money finish now, what do you do for your 50th anniversary?
I was expecting you to say that. Look, on my 50th anniversary, I will go back to Congo and look for Mama Tope, and I will bring her back. Bonjour, chérie. Ça va bien, non, mon Bidjani? Oh, pas tout. How are you?
C'est qui ce garçon?
Oh,
elle est mignonne.
Ton ami.
Chérie, quand je vais te laisser.
On va guider moi. You ought to know. That is my Congolese girlfriend. Congolese girlfriend. Are you okay?